Okay, so here we're going to do a little transformation activity. Okay, Ms. Knutson's going to get you going with Chromebooks on this. So you're going to access something called Desmos for this, and some of you are probably a little familiar with that. There's a nice little activity that has to do with transformations, kind of a fun thing you're going to do. So what's going to happen is that I want you to go to Student Desmos. I think it's a dot in there. .com. Now don't do it yet. All right, just watch. Don't do it yet. Show you how it works. When you get there, you're going to have a screen where you have an obstacle here, a pre-image, and an image. And it says what you want to do is you want to use your translations, reflections, rotations to complete a round of transformational golf. For each challenge, your task is the same. Use one or more of those transformations to transform the pre-image onto the image. So then you got to think, well, how can I get this L shape to avoid this obstacle and end up over there? Okay. So I look at this and maybe I'd use a translation because that would slide it, right? So then you have to figure out how much you're going to slide it. So you should be looking at your horizontal and vertical change to move it over and up. All right. Once you think you have that, then you go ahead and you add the transformation. There it is. And you say, well, how much do I want to translate it? So you're going to take this here, right, and move it down to wherever you think that is. And then you're going to have that now. So that would be that one, right? If you want to add another translation, then you would see here, move that to here, move that to there, and you win. So that's how it works, okay? So go to Student. Oops. Sorry, folks. Here we go. You're going to go to studentdesmos.com. All right, Ms. Knudsen has the exact thing you need. You need to type in a class code. It's going to tell you to enter that. So the class code has already been made for you. All right. So let's see. What have I got here? We got F has to be all caps. There's your class code. You type that in, and it should get you going. Okay. So have some fun with this. When you're done, because it might not take you the whole time, you need to remember to work on your Google Classroom. What transformation am I? Part 1s and 2s, because first thing tomorrow morning, that's what we're going to work on. All right. Now I'm going to pull. You have to submit it today or tonight, whenever you get that done. I'm going to pull those up, and we're going to look at them. All right. So make sure you get that part done. All right. Okay. So see you tomorrow.